Prepare before the experiment according to the experimental method. Prepare for pressure test and add a thermostatic solution to the thermostatic bath. Make the liquid level reach the level line position. Wash and dry the suction straight pipe as required. And assembles 3 suction straight hanging board. Install into the 2 fixed slider guide grooves of the oil bath box. Pull the retainer wrench to the outside. Drop the board. 4 settings: constant temperature, bath temperature 80 degrees Celsius. Click Save. The instrument automatically controls the temperature and is constant to 80 degrees Celsius. Filter the sample through filter paper into a beaker. 5. Exit from the trachea. Inject half-scale phthalic acid. Dibutyl ester reagent. 6. Apply vacuum silicone grease at the tapered interface of the flare pipe. Pay attention to apply evenly. 7. Smear completed. Installation of suction tank and measuring tube assembly. Hold the assembly with both hands for assembly. After assembly, place it in the fixed position of the experimental plate. Then use the spring to jam the suction pool and cooling pipe. Fix the conical interface between the suction pool and the cooling trachea. Make sure it's sealed. From the mouth of the suction pool, inject 5 milliliters of filtered sample to be tested. The high-pressure hollow electrode with electrode wire and needle valve. Constant temperature to 80 degrees Celsius. After removal, apply a side oil sample to the conical sealing sleeve. Install into the suction pool. Pull the retainer wrench to the outside. Drop the board. Connect the high voltage line and accompanying piping. Host hydrogen outlet connection, volume pipe outlet. Be careful not to fold the pipeline. Host hydrogen inlet connected to high-pressure hollow electrode. Insert the red electrode wire into the 10 covey position. The white electrode wire is inserted into the 0 covey position. Cover the protective cover. Click on Parameter Settings. Set the name of the experimenter. Set sample name number 25 transformer oil. Set the trachea volume. Each measuring tube is marked with a corresponding volume. After reading, input this time is 9.442 milliliters. Input volume trachea scale 250 millimeters. Click Save. Complete the parameter setting and return to the main interface. Main interface, click Standard Selection. Select the experimental standard GBT111 for 2. Read the relevant standard description. Click the Confirm button. Complete the standard selection and return to the main interface. Due to the constant temperature, then click to start the test. Enter the startup process interface. Click the Start button. Follow the operating instructions to conduct the experiment. Open needle valve. Close bypass plug. The sample is inflated according to the gas flow rate required by the standard. After inflation, the hydrogen indicator light is on. Electronic flometer on. Countdown after 10 minutes. Inflation phase 1 completed. 20 seconds before completion, there was a beep. Main interface, click Next. Follow the prompts to open the bypass plug. Perform second stage inflation. 5 minutes later. Inflation stage 2 completed. Click Next. Turn off the hydrogen. After the liquid level in the trachea is balanced, close bypass valve. Close the pressure reducing valve. Turn on the high voltage generator. Confirm that the host security cover is closed. Be careful not to turn off the high voltage generator, does not work. After confirming that it is correct, click Next. Host high voltage indicator, and the high voltage generator indicator light is on. The instrument enters the suction test interface. After the 10-minute timer is over, interface pop-up input window. Click the white text box. Enter the trachea display scale value at 10 minutes. After the input is completed, after clicking OK, click to confirm complete input. Do not click the confirm button. Can be re-entered. At the same time, enter the second stage of inhalation experiment. When the remaining time returns to 0, interface pop-up input window. Click the white text box. It will be 50 minutes. Record and enter the scale value displayed by the measuring tube. 1 decimal place can be reserved. Input complete. Click the confirm button. Instrument automatic calculation result. If you have set up automatic printing, then print the experimental data at the same time. The result of this experiment is 42.3 microliters per minute. At the same time, the system will shut down the high voltage generator, aspiration tester, and high pressure generator. The light goes out. After the test is completed, click the back button to prepare for the next test process.